4 chefs, 3 courses, the challenge. Create an unforgettable meal from the mystery items hidden in these baskets before time runs out. Time's up. Who will win the $10,000 prize? And who will be chopped? Chefs, there are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, and dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will not move on to the next round. You will be chopped. Please open your baskets. And we are looking at duck confit, red cherry peppers, frozen naan, and vanilla beans. 20 minutes for the appetizer course. Time starts now.
Yeah. I decided to build a compote salad with duck confit and pickled peppers. I grabbed some red wine vinegar, some sugar, and some water to get my pickling liquid going.
I've been doing this for 27 years, and to win chop would be the crowning jewel to my career. The duck confit is a piece of meat that's already been cooked that I can easily convert into an Indian recipe. I'm planning to create a cherry pepper duck masala served with some naan crostinis.
It would definitely be a mistake to underestimate me. My plan is to make a duck rillette with red cherry pepper jam, arugula salad, and naan toast points.
So I'm picking away at the duck confit. I'm realizing, okay, salad, arugula, we're off to the races. Red cherry peppers, let's get those things pickling. Frozen naan, it's kind of a curveball, but I'm feeling good.
Rillette is a rich meat spread. I add a little fennel, sage, thyme, and mascarpone.
As I'm slicing the naan, my knife nicks one of my knuckles. Sure enough, I look down and I see some blood. Flutters me a little bit. I reach down and grab a glove and flip over my cutting board and finish up the naan, get it in the oven.
So I'm going to do the duck confit sauteed masala with red onions and tomato.
I've got shaking hands. This is a lot more difficult when you're working against a clock. I start laying the arugula and raspberry with tomato on to the plate. I love tomatoes in the salad.
As I'm plating, my priority is that it looks classic.
10, 9, 8.
I desperately reach in the oven, grab my naan.
Come on.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Megan.
Today I made for you a duck rillette with cherry pepper and vanilla jam and naan toast points.
Chef Al.
I have made a arugula salad with vanilla bean vinaigrette, freshly pickled peppers and raspberries, some duck confit, and grilled naan.
Chef Neela.
I've prepared for you a cherry pepper and duck confit masala with a naan crostini and a vanilla cilantro raita.
Chef Larry's appetizer.
I have prepared a warm, crispy duck confit salad with pickled cherry peppers, vanilla-scented naan, radicchio, and cucumber.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Larry, you've been chopped.
So Larry, yours wasn't a very cohesive dish, and it was the weakest of the 4.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you, Chef.
Chef Megan, Chef Al, Chef Neela, please open your baskets. The mandatory ingredients for the entree round are duck breast,
I cannot believe it. Duck again.
champagne mango, morel mushrooms, and ranch dressing. 30 minutes on the clock this time, starting now.
I score the duck breast, so I make sure I get as much fat out of it as possible. I want to make a juniper berry and cardamom spice duck breast with a radicchio mango salad and roasted morels.
I'm going to make a khichdi, which is a sort of a risotto-like rice dish.
I'm gonna do a pan-roasted duck breast with duck fat home fries with some sauteed morel mushrooms. That duck breast is like this big.
That ranch dressing is just tough to work with.
I got one of these brainiac ideas I get every now and then that I'm gonna somehow combine the mango and the ranch dressing together.
Duck out of the pan so I can let it rest. But then I cut into it, and it's really not done in the middle.
Megan popping the duck breast back in the oven again, so I don't know what's going on.
So I take my duck, and then I start to slice it. Blood's coming out. Ah.
Final seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back.
I look at my dish, and I'm nervous about the rice and the blood.
Chef Al.
I made a pan-roasted duck breast with home fries, sauteed morel mushrooms, and a mango ranch dressing sauce.
Chef Neela.
I prepared for you a pan-roasted duck breast with a morel and ranch khichdi and a mango chutney.
Chef Megan.
I did a pan-seared duck on radicchio mango salad with a ranch mushroom puree and roasted morels.
Whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Megan, you've been chopped.
Your duck was really undercooked, and your integration of the other basket ingredients was disjointed.
Thank you.
Chef Neela, Chef Al, please open your baskets. Chocolate chips, chestnuts, dried strawberries, and, what do you know, duck eggs.
Duck, duck, and duck.
30 minutes on the clock. Time starts now.
I have an idea right away to make chocolate mousse because I know that I can do that in 30 minutes. I'm going to make a strawberry sauce to go with the mousse.
This is my basket. Chocolate, strawberries. It reminds me of the early days of time with my wife. I'm gonna make a caramel chestnut puree with a reduction of strawberries and red wine and a chocolate sabayon sauce. I've got my sabayon beginnings, duck egg yolks, orange zest, sugar. Neela knows what she's doing, so I've got to be spot on or I don't stand a chance. Sugar, heavy cream, chestnuts. I'm going to end up pureeing that with goat cheese because I don't want the entire thing to be just sweet.
Done with the strawberries is reconstitute them in the simple syrup. So now I need to make them something that's Neela's sauce. A little bit of cayenne, a little ginger.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Neela.
I've made for you a chocolate chestnut mousse with a strawberry ginger cayenne sauce and a little bit of mint.
Chef Al.
I've made a goat cheese chestnut puree with a chocolate sabayon sauce and a lightly sweetened toast point for dipping.
Whose dish is on the chopping block?
Congratulations.
Chef Al, you've been chopped.
Chef, unfortunately, with your appetizer, those tomatoes just didn't belong there.
Totally.
With your main course, you allowed that ranch dressing to dictate what that dish became, and that just didn't work.
You know what? Thank you so much. I've had a blast. So all good. Congratulations, honey.
And that means, Chef Nila Peniz, that you are the chopped champion and the lucky duck to go home with $10,000.
Thank you. Thank you so much, all of you.